Welcome to qnawire.
Let us draw the scenario here. So we have this river. Let this is the river, and the width of the river is 400 meter. Now this is the case. Goes like this. So this is straight line. So this angle is theta, and this is 10 meter per second. This width is given as 400 meters, and let this point is A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is river speed, which is 2 meter per second. This is man speed, which is 10 meter per second. So we can find out the value of theta. So theta will be equals to tan inverse 2 divided by 10. So it will be equals to tan inverse 1 divided by 5. Now velocity V is equals to 10 meter per second. Also distance is given as distance d is equals to 400 meters. So time taken to cross is equals to distance d divided by time taken. So it will be equals to distance d divided by velocity. So it will be equals to 40 seconds. So it will take 40 seconds to cross the river. Now let's move to part B. This is part A. Now let's move to part B. Here the boat will reach point, and the boat will reach the other side of the river at point C. So we can write tan theta, this is equals to BC divided by AB. So this is equals to BC divided by AB is given as 400, and tan theta is also given as 1 divided by 5. So after solving, we will get BC is equals to 80 meters. So this is the required value.